Hi Draw So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Red from Roblox Rainbow Friends. So let's get started. To draw this cool monster, let's first start by drawing these big eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw this big oval at a slight angle. So let's come about right here and just going to go ahead and draw this big oval. So your goal is just to give it a little bit of a slant going this way. So now to draw the other one. So I'm just going to come right across, say about right here, not too wide, and we're going to draw the same thing on the other side. So just kind of follow your other one. Just drag a point across approximately. The second one is always harder because you have to follow the first one, right? So hopefully you're using a pencil at home so that you can make some changes and adjust it. Okay, so about right here, and then I'm going to drag this point across about right there so I know approximately how low to bring it. Okay, there, just approximate, just as long as we're about the same area and size. Okay, so now that I have these two big ovals at a slant, I'm going to come back right in here and we're going to basically draw another oval. So I'm going to come right here and bring it in. There. So same thing on this side. So just go up and round it in. There. Okay, so then now I'm just going to go ahead and shade this all in black so you can see a little bit better what's going on. I hope you've been loving all the drawings I've done for Roblox Rainbow Friends. I think I'm almost done with all the colors. Almost. I will definitely be drawing black next after this one, red. So definitely let me know in the comments below if I'm missing any of the colors. I've got yellow, green, pink, blue, of course, purple, orange. So I'm not too sure if I'm missing anything after I draw black. So now that we finally have these big eyes in, let's come in between the eyes about right here, and I'm just going to pop in a curve right in between to connect them. And I'll just fix this a little bit, bring it up a little bit more. Now that I'm looking at my camera, just trying to match that one a little bit more. And then let's go ahead and we're going to imagine this curve coming through and about right, let's see here. Head. So let's say about right here. I'll give myself a point and about right here, and we're just going to round it off and draw this curve at the bottom. And let's just go ahead and connect it. Okay, there, finally. So now that we have that, let's go, and that is pretty much it for the head. So let's draw the body. So I'm going to come about right here. We're going to draw this kind of suit that this red is wearing. So I'm going to come right here and draw a curve down for the shoulders. And let's see here, about right here, I'm going to draw a curve that's coming down and here. And then let's come back in about right here and we're going to draw a V. So just giving some space for the tie. So let's come back in here for a tie. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's bring this down a little bit more. And before I finish it, I'm going to come back to this area right here where it kind of bends over, and then we're going to draw a curve right there. So kind of like where the armpit area would be. I'm going to curve it in and then straighten it out. So curve and then straighten it out. There. Okay, so then now let's keep bringing this down. And then take a look as to see where you want to break it. So I'm going to say about right here. I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve across. We're going to break it right there and bring a straight line down. So now that we have this break right here, we know that this is where the legs are going to start. So let's come about right here and here and draw 2 angle lines. So then let's bring this in right there, and so this is going to be part of the leg. So we're just going to bring this down following this and come out. So same thing over here. So I'm just going to go back and forth. This is going to come in and then the legs are going to start. So we're just following the angles. Okay, so then let's keep going. See how long you want to bring your legs down to. I'm going to say about right here. I'll just kind of come in a little bit and connect. And then I'll just put in these very simple feet. So just round it off and connect. So same thing over here. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, we're going to continue this down all the way down to about right there and then just cut it off. So same thing here. There. Now let's go ahead, before we draw in all the detail, let's draw the arms. So I'm going to bring this down, and then right here where it kind of curves in is where the sleeve is going to come out. To about right there, kind of in this area. Let's bring this down, go in a little bit and then flare it out and connect. And then for the hands, it's just this very tight little curve right there. And round it off and go up. So same thing here, just kind of where it starts to come in. We're going to go out for these sleeves to about right there. And same thing here. So come in a little bit and then flare it out. And connect. And once again, those hands kind of goes up, down a little bit, and then curve it around and up. There. Make this one a little bit bigger. Okay. So then now that we have all the main items in, parts in, let's go ahead and draw all the details. So I'm going to come back right here and we're going to draw, come about right here, and angle this down. Same thing here. Angle it down to this part right here, and then we're going to go another angle and angle in. So this is the suit. Right here, and then in this area right here, we're just going to kind of continue this line all the way across. There. And then now for some detail lines, we're going to come right here, draw an angle, same thing here, and then a line straight down following this curve. So there are a lot more details, but I'm just trying to only draw the main ones. So right here, I think there's another black line, and then on the sleeves, right here, here, I'm going to cut it off, and then another one. So same thing on this side. And connect. And that is pretty much it, I believe. Hopefully I haven't forgotten any major detail, but that is pretty much it for my drawing here of Red from Roblox Rainbow Friends. I really hope I helped you draw this cute monster, oh, this cool monster, fun and easy today. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.